Great flying, RX.
Thanks, but I can't take all the credit. Your thumbs are working double time.
Still, doesn't it seem a little magical? I mean, all I have to do is make a few quick stick movements on the radio and you're off performing awesome aerial acrobatics. How does that work? I know that you have a battery that's full of energy, but how do you turn that energy into spinning propellers? Rex, come here for a second.
Uh-oh. I know that look. We're about to get all science experimenty, aren't we? Just don't turn me into a Franken-drone again, please.
Okay, so when I throttle up, I can see that your propellers start spinning. What's going on?
When you throttle up, my flight controller tells the battery to let the energy flow through my circuits to the motors. Like a tiny river of electricity.
And that electricity gives your motors enough energy to spin until liftoff. Got it. But what about when I do this? Rex, what happens when I pitch forward?
To pitch forward, my flight controller tells my front motors to spin slower and the rear motors faster.
No wonder you tilt forward. The faster motors in the back lift you up more. Okay, what about this? What happens when I move the right stick to tell you to roll to the right?
To the right? Let's see. When you move the stick to the right, I get the command to slow down the motors on the right and speed up the motors on the left.
Which lifts up the left side and makes you fly to the right. That makes so much sense. I'm glad you're the one keeping track of all that. Now, this all makes sense, but it still feels kind of like magic. Like, how does spinning propellers faster and slower lift you up into the air?
That is an excellent question, and you're not the first one to ask it. In fact, in 1649, an Italian inventor named Tito Livio started by...
That's okay, Rex. I'll do some more research on my own, and we'll be back when I've got more to report.
Okay, au revoir.